This free AI tool can literally create your videos and handle perfect lip sync for you. And surprisingly, most creators still don't know about it. If you run a faceless channel, this could be one of the easiest ways to create high-quality content faster. Take advantage of it now while it's still free. It may not stay that way for long.
Can I use my own picture, or must I download picture from Google or wherever it is? You can actually use your own picture, but instead of you to download picture from Google, I will advise you go to Pinterest and you download your picture from there. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use my own picture, and I'll show you how you can get a prompt for any picture. I'll show you two ways in which you can do that. But first of all, let us go to Wix AI. I'm going to come here and type Wix AI. So when you click on the search button, you click on this first option. You can also use Image FX to create your image. Okay, so let's wait for it to come up just so that we could start the whole process. The very first thing here is for you to sign in with Google. After that, you see browse gallery. You are just going to go ahead and click on that. So when you click on that, you click on enter to. When you click on enter to, describe your idea or roll the dice for prompt idea. I'll click on add image. I'll click here to pick up the image I want to work with. So it will redirect me to my phone gallery. So I'm just going to scroll down while I'm checking the image I want to use for this tutorial. I want to use this image here. So this image is 9.16 and we want to use it for YouTube video. So we'll see how we can make it to be in landscape format. So it is done. So I'll click on this icon. So what you see here is a prompt to generate this image. I'll click on copy, or I'll click on copy. Then after copying this, I'll just head over to my ChatGPT. You can also use Wix to generate this image, right? So just come here. So you have two options here. Before I head you over to another one, you can either click here to upload the image and you ask ChatGPT for the prompt, or you can just open ChatGPT, click here and click on images. And what you just need to do is just to go ahead and paste this prompt. You can see something like describe your image. You just go ahead and paste this prompt, and I will say let let it be in 16:9 aspect ratio in a landscape format for my YouTube video. Okay, let's hope and see what we are going to be getting from Chat GPT. You can see something like creating image. Let's just wait and see what the magic. Like, you can upload your image directly on the site, or maybe you can get a prompt and generate a similar avatar to your image. Do you understand? Do you understand, guys? So you can see something like image created. It's not that bad to me. It's not that bad. It's still almost similar to the same thing. And you can see that it's in 16.9 aspect ratio. I'll go ahead and download this image. Then let's go to Wix AI and give it the same prompt so that we can see who does it better. Okay, Wix AI. This time around, we are not going to upload image and paste a prompt. We are going to paste this prompt directly. Okay, I'm going to click on enter to here. I'm going to click here to paste it. So let's click on, sorry, I need to zoom this out. Let's click on this. Here you choose your ratio, is already landscape. Let's see what Wix AI is going to generate for us. So I don't want it to be very, very long, but just to I feel like I love this. Can you see? Should we go with this? I'm gonna go with this, guys. So if you are not comfortable with what we give you, you keep on regenerating until you get, when you click here, another one will generate and you get what you want. Okay, you can see that's giving me another option that is even more beautiful. This is where the main magic lies. We are going to be lip syncing this video, that is to make it to talk. So I will click on Chrome. You come to your search bar and what you need to type is lip sync. You type it together dot video. You type and click here to send. So when you click here to send, it's loading. When you type it correctly, it will land you directly on the website. So first of all, for us to be able to start creating our video, we must first of all sign in. I'll click on sign in here, and when I click on that, it's going to load up for us. So sign in with Google. New users can claim 50 plus free credit today. Imagine if you have 10 Gmail accounts. You can create 10 Gmail accounts. You just be claiming those 50 plus credit and be getting your videos back to back, guys. So don't sleep on this update before they change it to pro. You know how Grok came, you know how it is now, okay? So it's loading just so that I could log in with my email address. Let's just hold on for that to come up. Continue. Yeah, I can see something like sign in successful. When you come here, you're going to see all these options. We want to create video using 19.16 aspect ratio. You can see supported format, blah blah blah, maximum files. We want to make our avatar to talk. Do you understand? So what we need to do is just to go ahead and click on talking video. So when you come here, you can see something like upload photo or you select avatar. So I'm just going to click here to bring in the photo we just downloaded, which is this. I'll click here to bring it up. So here is where you need to be very, very careful. So when you come here, you can either input text. Do you understand? If you have your text already, you paste it here and it talk for you. Or if you have any audio that you recorded somewhere, you can upload it here and the audio must be 90 seconds. And also you can record your own audio here, whichever way you want it, you select it. So I'll go with this input text. I'll come here. I've already had my prompt. Remember, the longer the prompt, the more credit it takes. So this is my prompt here. I'll just copy and I'll go back to my link.video. I'll paste the prompt. And when I paste the prompt, your text can only be 1000 max. So you come here and you are going to be choosing your voice. So this is a lady and we need to find a lady voice to match our video. I will go with the calm woman. You can come here neutral, all those stuff like that. I don't think that is really, really necessary. This one is sound setting, how you want the pitch, the volume, the speed to be. So to generate this video is going to cost me 28 credit. Remember, the longer your text, the longer your, I'll just click here to create the video. So as you all can see, our video is generating. Okay, let's wait. I'm gonna pause this, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and download it. So if you're not comfortable with the one it generated for you, you can click here to start it all over. Just know that it's going to take another extra 28 credits. So let's open this, play. Okay, let me go back to my gallery. I can't wait to see the outcome of this video, guys. I can't wait to see the outcome. 20 seconds. Let's
This
play and
free
see.
AI tool This free AI tool can literally create your videos and handle perfect lip sync for you. And surprisingly, most creators still don't know about it. If you run a faceless channel, this could be one of the easiest ways to create high-quality content faster. Take advantage of it now while it's still free. It may not stay that way for long.
Okay, I think I'm falling in love with this. I don't want to oh God, I don't want to exaggerate, but I love this. All right, so this is just the extra. If it's something that I captured the person full body, the person will be doing gesture, all those stuff like that. And guys, to me, this is just amazing. You can see the face, you can see the face, nothing changed. Everything is just intact. So go try out this and let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Act fast before it turns to a paid to like Grok AI. I'll still be dropping more tutorial like this. If you're interested, just make sure to comment that on the comment section. And bye. I'm going to see you in my next video.